the first part of the video series and the second one is coming soon.
Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make a pollution detector badge in AMS.
First, make a program. Hello guys, let's begin our video. Click on the three lines at the top left and then click on Maker Board 5.1. After that, click on Control and drag my program in the blank area. Now click on Variable and then click on Create Variable and then write the variable sensor value and then click on Create. Now drag declare I count and put it inside my program. After that, click on the drop down arrow and select ice underscore sensor value. Now click on loops and drag repeat while true and put it in my program. Next, click on variable and drag define I count and put it in repeat while true. Now click on the drop down arrow and select I underscore sensor value. Now drag read analog value at channel AO and put it besides define I underscore sensor value. Now click on control and drag if do under define I underscore sensor value and left click on settings and drag else if 2 times under if. After that, click on control and drag an option with 2 ands and put it besides if. Now again click on control and drag an option with 2 equal signs and put it on the left side of 2 ands. And similarly put one more at the right side. On the left side, click on the drop down arrow and select the lesser than option. On the right side, click on the greater than option. Now click on variable and drag I underscore sensor value and put it on the left side of the lesser than option. Drag I underscore sensor value again and put it on the left side of the greater than option. After that, click on math and drag 0 on the right side of the lesser than option. Similarly, put the same block on the right side of the greater than option. Now change the value of the block we just dragged to 350. After that, click on display and drag show LEDs, select color brightness and put it in the first if block. Click on the block beside select color and select green color. Now choose green colors in the blocks as shown. After that, click on control and drag the and option and put it besides else if. Now click on control again and drag the equal to option on the left side of and similarly put it on the right side too. After that, click on the left equal to option and click on the lesser than option. Then right equal to option and select the greater than option. Now click on math and drag 0 on the right side of the lesser than option. After that, right click on it and click on duplicate. Drag the duplicated option on the right side of the greater than option. Now change the second block's value to 700 and change the first block's value to 350. After that, click on variable and drag I sensor value on the left side of the lesser than option. Now right click on it and click on duplicate. Now take the duplicated option on the left side of the greater than option. Then click on display and drag show LEDs, select color, brightness and put it in else if. Next, click on the block besides select color and choose the color yellow and click on the blocks as shown to make the color yellow. Now click on control and drag the and option and put it besides else if, the second one. Then click on control again and drag the equal to option and put it on the left side of and. Similarly, drag one more option and put it on the right side of it. After that, click on math and drag the 0 option to the right side of the left equal to option. Now change its value to 700. Right click on 700 and click on duplicate. Drag the duplicated option on the right side of the equal to option. Now change its value to 1000. Then click on variable and drag iSensor value on the left side of the first equal to option. Now right click on it and click on duplicate and drag it towards the left side of the second equal to option. Now make the first equal to option lesser than option and make the second equal to option greater than option. After that, click on display and drag the show LEDs, select color, brightness and put it under the second else if. Next, click on the block beside select color and select the color red. Now click on the blocks as shown to make their color red. Then click on sound and drag play tone of frequency to 1000 for 100 milliseconds and put it underneath show LED select color brightness. Finally, change the values to 3000 and 2000 respectively. This is our final program.
I hope you like the video, comment and share it.